Hey guys, it's Crypto Jetta. I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that way you will know when new videos will arrive. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, twitter.com/CryptoJetta. From time to time, I'll post some useful crypto findings. Also, you can visit my website, cryptojetta.com, where you can find all of my DeFi strategies that I post on my YouTube and blog format. But today's topic is I ordered a Ledger wallet. If you don't know what a Ledger wallet is, it's a hardware-based wallet where you can store your crypto assets. Recently, before I purchased this hardware wallet, I have my crypto spread over different platforms like Exodius, MetaMask, and a couple other software-based wallets. So now what I'm going to do from now on is just take those assets and put them into my hardware wallet, so that way later down the road, you know, eventually when I get old or whatnot and eventually pass away, I can pass it down to my son or, you know, my future kids or whatever. My son is currently 6 right now, but he doesn't know nothing about crypto yet, but I will be teaching him as he get older. But today I'm going to do an unboxing. The one that I purchased was the Ledger Nano X. That is the most expensive model that they have. As you can see here, 2 buttons, 1 screen, bolos, a secure chip. As you can see, they have an app that you can download on your phone, and you can also download on Windows. I will make another video showcasing these apps. Today, this video is just doing a brief unboxing. But as you can see, I can manage my crypto and NFTs wherever I go. And what I like about this Nano X is that you can use your smartphone with Bluetooth to engage with it. I know the other ones, the lesser models, the S and the Nano S Plus, I think they require a USB connected to your computer in order to make transactions with it. Whereas the Model X, it has Bluetooth features. Also, you can also stake on the app, on the Ledger Live app, whereas you can see it says keep your assets safe as they generate revenues. You can stake Tezos, Tron, Cosmos, Algorand, and Polkadot directly in Ledger Live, or simply lend your DAI, USDC, USDT, and let your crypto do the work. It says you can manage 5,500 plus coins and tokens. This model allows you to have up to 100 apps installed. And like I said, in the next video, I'll show off the Ledger Live for you. So as you can see here, you compare the Ledger devices. This one is the Nano X, which is $149, and this is the Nano S Plus, which is $79. Like I said, they also have the Nano S, which is $55. That's the cheapest model, one that you have. The biggest drawback of this one is it has less memory, so you can only, I think you can only install up to 3 apps on your device, whereas the Model S Plus and the Nano X, you can install up to 100 apps. So, but this Nano S is pretty much, if you're on a budget and you're just trying to just store maybe only like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and you're not focused on any other coin. So also, if you want to purchase any one of these models of the ledgers, please go to my website, cryptojetta.com, and just click on this banner right here, Ledger Nano X. Once you click here, and from there you can just it comes bundled with my referral link, and I earn a small commission whenever you purchase one of these hardware wallets. If you do use my referral link to purchase a hardware wallet, I appreciate it very, very much. You can also use my other website. If you don't feel like going to my website, you can also use cryptojetta.com/ledger. That will also redirect you here as well. But like I said, I highly recommend you purchase a hardware wallet. It's definitely a great investment if you want to hold crypto for a long amounts of time. But anyway, let's go ahead and get with the unboxing. Alright guys, here it is, the Ledger Nano X. As you can see, here's the box. Ordered directly from the website with the plastic wrap still on there. Let's look at the back of the box. It says Ledger Nano X, keep your crypto secure everywhere. Your private keys give it access to your crypto assets. Can easily be stolen online. Make sure to keep them safe and available anywhere you go. With the Ledger Nano X, a state-of-the-art Bluetooth-enabled hardware wallet. It features a CCE AL5 Plus certified secure chip, enabling private keys backup, manage up to 100 crypto assets at the same time on one device, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many more. Secure your transactions anywhere you go using a smartphone or a computer. And as you see, the computer has a little asterisk here. This says the use of the product requires an iOS, Android smartphone, or a Windows, Mac or Linux computer. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this open. I'm gonna pause the video because I don't want y'all to see me fight through this plastic here, encasing here. So let me pause this video here. Alright, so we have the plastic off. So let's go ahead and open the box and see what's inside. As you can see here, we have the Ledger hardware wallet right here. Very nice. Oh, hold on. As you can see here, looks like a fingernail clipper. Very nice. So we set that to the side right here. All right, so let's see what else in here. Alright, so now we have like a little booklet. It says hello, getting started. There's a link to ledger.com/start to get started. Maybe it includes some instructions. So as you can see here, I have a recovery sheet that I can store my seed phrases on, and I'll write this down later and store it somewhere securely. So that way, when I need it or my family in the future needs it, you know, they'll have it. And like they give you multiple copies of this, so that way you can have multiple numbers of copies of your recovery phrase, which is very important. Also, it comes with like some stickers. And it comes with the USB cable you need to hook to your computer. But like I said, this is the Ledger Nano X, so you don't really have to hook it up to your computer because it has Bluetooth support. So that's pretty much it that comes with the Ledger. Like I said, in the next video, I'm going to show you the software side of things. And I'm probably going to show you MetaMask integration with Ledger, because there is some MetaMask support with this. But that's pretty much it, guys. Here's what all you get with the Ledger Nano X, and this was the unboxing. Like I said, if you want to purchase a Ledger, you can go to cryptojetta.com/ledger, and that will redirect you with my affiliate link to ledger.com. If you do buy one under my referral link, I appreciate it very much. Thank you very much. All right, with that said, I'm out. Take care.